Guys, asikhulumeni nge-independence usewumntwana omncane. Yabona ukuba independent maybe at let's say from 18 kwehla or yazi ukuba independent as a child hey kunzima because bakubhekile especially uma umfana. Yazi kunzima kakhulu uba umfana ingane yomfana. Very hard because yonke into ibheke wena, everything is looking at you like ifridge empty uyawarisheka, impuphu iba empty uyawarisheka, awukho la ungawarisheki khona. Bathola umsebenzi bazothi hayi uphi umfazi, hey baloko bakubize nemakhonini abathama wasekasi, bakubize nemakhonini, hey manje umfazi kwenze njani mfethu? Iminyaka manje abazali bakho bashonile manje umfazi yena awani ukuthi uphendule uthini, because you don't have a stable income. It's very hard being independent when you don't have a stable income in life. It's very hard because you get this money, you save. When save, things go bad during that saving. So you have to take all your savings, upeshe lokho khona, and njengoba upesha, there's nothing ezayo to replace that money oyibeka ku-saving. Ayabona yabayise in life nje, life idinga a job, a stable job. If we don't have job, like you're depending on gigs, whatever, that's not the way, because you end up being like ama celebrities. We always see these celebrities where we poster donation. That's not life. And yona into commit is suicide. When uzoba ungasi suicide obukuyi society. Uzoba kuyi society because abantu donate from ama society different ukuthi uncwatshwe. Hey, that's this life of a hustler. Yo man, it's very hard, man. It's very hard because gigs are not consistent. Yabo. If they were consistent, bokuzoba noshini, bokuzoba ifithi bezogcwala lakho. Ikizwe experience amanye banama-gig are consistent, but they are wasting their monies. Badla imali ney'febe, so to say that, badla imali ney'febe, babhizi lapha e-Chick Tiger, bagcwele lapho badlala imali. Umuntu athole 100k, igig enkulu 100k, umuntu ayibhubhudle yonke ngeviki. 100k uzoceda ngeviki. Akathatha noma 50k nyana uthi urenovate kini, 50k urenovate lokho okuncane ongakurenovate. Then ke ihafu ungakwazi ukuthi uyibeke until you get the next gig. 50k beka le half le, ibhayi 50k bohlala uyi-1, uphila impilo esimple, ungachomi, ungathenga ama-iPhone adurayo, like ungathenga nje impahla zokunisa price. Ibhayi lo nyuku le, it's a lot. Manje abantu bafuna ukuphila is-cheese boy, they want to force things. Yabo, that's the problem ababhekana nayo. Yabo, hey hayi inzima lento mfethu. Yazi ukubona ama-celebrity estragila, ama-podcast, they're always crying on podcasts. Kunzima guys. Be subscribe to the channel. More content is coming, guys. This le ndaba ye-independence, man. And mabi iwest babona intombi uyibhejele, all those things. Mabe move in together. Don't move in nentombazana ungenamali. That's a big risk. It's a red flag. Move in nentombazana obvious. Bohamba yasama uyophanda ifa amadoda endlini kini. So guys, don't guys, please subscribe, keep hustling. Just like video is not my usual exciting videos. Lena nje ngi topic nje ngathi ngifuna nje ukukhuluma ngayo, keep out of my chest. Independence as a young age, teenage you guys kunzima uba independent as a ungakafika ku-30.